Well, hello, and welcome to my history channel. This, and I say this, is my World War I matchbox cover of, and as I say, of the machine gun core. Very nice, interesting history item indeed. And I shall show you as I turn this item over. And as you can see, it has the gentleman's name there, engraved. And also on the opposite side of this item, 1918 with a butterfly. I do like this. Very nice indeed. I can imagine some guy smoking and lighting his pipe, maybe a pipe or some cigarettes, with this matchbox case cover, a very proud man of the machine gun corps of a 1918 World War I. These guys was very brave indeed. I wouldn't like to be in them situations nowadays, but they was true heroes, and they was. God, look at the fatigue on this item. It's a beauty indeed, 1918. Look at this item indeed. I do like this. And as I say before, if you would like to see other interesting history items on this channel of militaria, and as I said, militaria, feel free to rate and subscribe. And as I say before, and as I say now, I thank you very much for watching my channel. And bye.